It's Friday, people. But there's really not much to celebrate, unless, like me, you just intend to drink yourself into a solid oblivion, a pathetic stupor of indifference until you're forced to drag yourself out of bed on Monday again. What with the terrible fucking news as far as world finance is going, and Ethereum failing to ignite any kind of rally, which we knew it wouldn't, and we were expecting the sell-off. Bitcoin is down 2% at 19,798. That means it's broken that mental 20 grand barrier and is likely to plummet again. Ethereum is down 7%. It's broken the 1,500 barrier. I'd never expected to see it that low again. Fuck knows where it goes from here. BNB, for whatever reason, remained fairly level at 275. An odd winner on the charts is Chili's, which is up 11. Again, fuck knows why. Maybe there's a football fan out there, fucking faggot. Raven coins dropped 20%. Well, not quite, 17.9. ETC's dropped nearly 10%. It's at around 9. There's a lot of debate after the SEC chairman made a very calculated comment that the merge has effectively made Ethereum a security. The test of whether something is a security or not relies heavily on the sentence, if you expect profits based on someone else's efforts. Now, with the merge bringing about, deflationary product that's going to go up in value, it's going to be quite easy for them to argue that anybody buying and holding Ethereum expects it to increase in price. I don't know. Look, it would be incredibly typical of a government to ban proof of work, or at least continue to put pressure on that, forcing tokens to go over the proof of stake, only to then regulate them up the arsehole. Another part of the news today is that Greenpeace is attacking Bitcoin, demanding that they get rid of proof of work. I mean, apart from the fact it just proves what retards Greenpeace are, be clear here, Bitcoin uses half the energy that the banking system uses. Greenpeace are acting on basically what the government's saying. It's the powers that be, that big. The government is big banks. There's no two ways around that. It's incredibly linked. And they're putting pressure on, pressure out there for this exact reason. And it all just ties in together nicely. Anyway, the FSOC is going to report on regulatory crypto gaps next year. You've also got the White House releasing crypto regulation framework, and the Justice Department has also, coincidentally, I'm sure, created a crypto unit which is working on crypto crime. Now, I mean, all the people out there that actually think the government's on their side will hopefully be thinking, oh great, they're going to stop these Ponzi con artists. No, they're not, mate. All that unit's going to do is look at you and try to make sure you've paid enough tax, and if they can find any possible reason, they're going to stake your Bitcoin. It's as simple as that. Yeah, it's important to realise that after losing all your, people losing keys, is the largest reason of anybody losing crypto is not theft or Ponzi's. It's fucking it being confiscated by the powers that be. So there you go. The UFTC is working to become the major crypto regulator. So, it's all regulation, this regulation, that. It's all coming. What can you say? The only proper other news will be... I suppose I should talk before I get into that about where we think it's all going. Look, we knew that Ethereum was going to drop. People always sell the news. It's happened now. The merge is complete. Once this, massive fucking... We're going to see it go further. They've broken the major supports. So once it stabilises, it should then start steady incline. But we've been waiting for these all-time lows. I'm expecting that BTC at 16 and Ethereum to be below $1,000 again now, if I'm honest. All we can do is wait and see on that front. Other news was Binance has agreed to implement the LUNC and USTC 1.2% tax burn. Not really a big deal, but that's about it. Anyway, look, I'm going to go and get absolutely fucking slaughtered. You guys might as well just enjoy your weekend.
All things crypto by a duck life. See you next time.